Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. If you're interested in online share trading and want to ensure you make the right choice when it comes to selecting a trading platform, you are in the right place. In this video, we will provide you with 5 essential tips that will guide you through the process of choosing the perfect online share trading platform. We'll discuss everything from user-friendliness to fees and beyond. So, let's dive in. Define your goals and needs. What are you looking to achieve with your investments? Are you a beginner trader seeking educational resources and guidance, or an experienced trader who values advanced charting and analysis tools? Clearly defining your goals and needs will help you identify the features and services that are most important to you when choosing a trading platform. Take some time to reflect on your investment objectives and consider factors such as your risk tolerance, desired level of involvement, and whether you prefer a hands-on or a more automated approach. Knowing what you want to accomplish will narrow down your search and make the selection process much easier. Research fees and commissions. Understanding the fees and commissions associated with online share trading platforms is crucial. This includes account fees, brokerage charges, and any additional costs that may be imposed. Make sure to research and compare the fee structures of different platforms to find the most cost-effective option for your trading activities. Keep an eye out for additional charges such as withdrawal fees, inactivity fees, or data subscription fees. While fees shouldn't be the sole determining factor, it's essential to consider them in relation to the platform's overall value and the services it provides. Evaluate platform usability. The ease of use and intuitive interface of a trading platform can significantly impact your trading experience. Look for platforms that offer a user-friendly interface with clear navigation and customizable layouts. Accessibility across different devices, such as desktop and mobile, is also important for on-the-go trading. Consider exploring demo accounts or free trials to assess the platform's functionality and ensure that it aligns with your preferences. A well-designed platform will streamline your trading activities and provide a smooth user experience. Assess available trading tools and research resources. Access to a variety of trading tools and educational resources can enhance your trading strategies and decision-making process. Look for platforms that offer advanced charting tools, real-time data, market analysis, and educational materials to expand your trading knowledge. Consider whether the platform provides research reports, news updates, or expert analysis, which can help you stay informed about market trends and make better informed investment decisions. Having these tools readily available can give you a competitive edge in the market. Consider customer support and security. Customer support is crucial when selecting an online share trading platform. Ensure that the platform offers prompt and reliable customer support channels, such as phone, email, or live chat, to assist with any trading-related issues or queries that may arise. Additionally, prioritize platforms that have robust security measures in place to protect your personal and financial information. Look for platforms that utilize encryption technology and have strong authentication protocols to mitigate the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. And there you have it, 5 important tips for choosing the right online share trading platform. Remember to define your goals, research fees, evaluate usability, assess available tools, and consider the level of customer support and security provided. By following these tips, you're on your way to selecting the ideal platform that suits your trading style and investment goals. We hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy trading, and see you next time.